Hey y'all, so today we're just going to jump right into the video. I went ahead and parted her hair down the middle, and you want to make sure that both sides are even. And then a good trick to do straight backs is to section off the nape and then part the top first and then just let it flow with the nape area. This makes your parts super duper straight. If you struggle doing straight backs, I highly recommend you try this method with parting out the nape and then just going from there. This made my parts so simple, and it only took me 2 hours, if that, to do this style. Maybe like an hour and 45 minutes. But doing this method definitely saved me some time, and I just went ahead and did some pre-parts for the sections just so that way I can map out everything and see how every part is and make sure everything is straight, because y'all, sometimes I do struggle with straight backs. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is something new that I learned by putting the product on the inside and then putting it on the outside. That helps it lay down really well. So if you have clients with really thick hair and sometimes it's hard for you to stitch braid, try putting the product in the middle first and then putting it on the outside and combing everything together. And I promise you, your stitch braids will be perfect. Like, your stitch braids are going to pop. So I got these press-ons to see if I could braid with nails or not. So I'm going to be doing my stitching using my pinkies. And y'all, the stitching came out so perfect. And I think I might start getting my nails done and being able to braid with them. I'm just trying something new. But these are press-ons. Don't judge. One of them popped off and then the point to one came off. You know, just ignore that, all right? Doing the heart is pretty simple. You just want to carve out the heart shape and then, you know, just go back and clean it up to get it nice the way you want it to be. I did do some cleaning up off of camera, but this is what I did on camera, and I had so much fun doing this style. She only wanted one heart, which was fine, and it came out so pretty. So to do the heart, you want to split it down the middle and then take that section and like part a diagonal part. When I was recording, my hair was in the way, so I had to take that part of the video out because you couldn't see what I was doing at all because my hair was in the way. But that's how I can describe the way that you do the heart part. And then when I did the other side, I wasn't even recording, so this is the only side that I recorded with doing the part. But I'm going to show you how to connect it to the back of the braid. So basically, to connect it, you just combine both sides of the hearts together, and then you just braid down a little bit and then just go ahead and connect them to the pieces. And I'm still going to be doing a little bit of stitching as I get to the back, but I'm just combining these so that they form one braid, because that's what you wanted to do. You wanted to form one braid instead of it being two braids going down. And then when I get maybe down the mid region of the nape, that's when I'm going to start adding in more hair. So the bun is pretty simple. You just basically wrap the hair and then you start wrapping it around from the bottom to the top. And then once you get to the top where the little ends of the braids are, I like to take some of my Got to Be glue spray to lock it in place, and this just helps give it a nice hold. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer to help that get nice and sealed. And then I'm also going to set the braids with the blow dryer because I didn't feel like sitting her under my dryer. And then I'm going to show y'all the final results.